welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you a delicious $5 dinner with a dessert for $5 from Walmart. At my Walmart, I picked up 2 of the Knorr Teriyaki noodles for $1.12 a piece, a can of tuna for $2.12, and for dessert, a can of mandarin oranges for 98 cents. I am going to show you how you can take all these ingredients and turn it into this delicious teriyaki tuna lo mein. In my skillet here, I have 3 cups of water and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. For each pack, you need 1.5 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of oil. I am going to turn my skillet onto medium heat, and I'm going to bring this to a boil. While my water is coming to a boil, I am going to open my mandarin oranges, and I'm going to put these in the fridge so they can chill. Now that my water is boiling, I'm going to add my contents into the boiling water. Just want to pour them both in. Then you're just going to give this a stir. You want to reduce the heat and let this simmer for 7 minutes. When your noodles get to like this, where there's just a little bit of liquid, you want to put your tuna into the skillet, and you want to mix that around, and you want to cook this for about 2 more minutes. I have all the tuna mixed into my lo mein, so now I'm going to cover this, turn the eye off, and keep this sitting like this for 2 minutes. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you would like to see me cook next. And take some time to browse through my other videos. Thank you for watching.